Well guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. It is a video about a security system. The real link, it is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money and I'm going to give an explanation without prejudice. So it's about the cameras that you already can see here. Already that one that is hanging there, that's another system. But it's about a security system, so stay tuned for that.
I always film the unpackaging of new delivered things, just to be sure there's nothing broken inside and that I always have proof if this happens. In this case, it's ATP link, a power over Ethernet that I need to connect to the new camera system.
Yeah, it was a wrong shot because it was a very easy safe shot. It's not, I'm not watching players who go for the shots, but sometimes the shot selection at the right time. You know, if he'd have been 3-0 up, which if he'd have put that on red with the rest, maybe a different circumstances, but the way that the game and half has gone there, you know, he had an easy safety shot. It was a very difficult pot. He was near the cushion, playing him with a lot of screw inside, the full length of the table, and a bad miss. I don't think he should have gone for, and it should have been an easy shot to go to each. Just again, going back to the little touch screen thing we did at the top tonight, the safety shot that Jack had, he didn't double down on it. There's moments in matches and many sessions, you've got to make the correct decision, and when you commit to that decision, make sure that the safety that he's pushing the blue to left cushion in the last frame against Sting, it wasn't difficult, and he made a bit of a mess of it. Fortunately got away with it this time, but tonight so far he hasn't.
Well, this is very much the other end of the intensity spectrum. We think of the Murphy, how much needle that has. Two players who get on, Stuart Bingham and Jack Wazowski, are two players who have nothing more than to progress through to the quarterfinals.
So we have here a new camera and we want to add it to the system. How do we do that? So first of all, take off the cover. It is not sponsored, not a sponsored video at all. I paid everything with my own money. So to add it to the system, we will connect the network cable, power over internet. So the power will come from the NVR here. So we take off the cap here for the network cable, plug it in. I will have to uncover it here because it's in the cap. Otherwise it is not long enough to get to the NVR. So we plugged in the network cable. And now we will have to plug it in the NVR in one of the 8 ports in the back. Let's do it. So that is sitting there, and now we will have to look if we can find it in the system. First put on the TV. There are the 3 connected cameras already. This is the 4th one, and we will see if it can be found in the system. I will take the mouse here, put the power on of the mouse so we can go on screen and see in the system settings, network, channel. So there is the 4th one, and it is in the auto add mode. As you can see, auto add, so it added itself to the system. Let's see if we can see it. I don't see it here. Let's take one more, 8 cameras. Ah, there it is.
Grapje. Hallo?
Yes, yes.
Grapje.
Yes, yes. I'm filming. Here it is. So now I will have to try to put it on the right place so that I can see it in the display when I ask for 4 cameras. I would like to have it here. And that would be camera 1. Next. Log it in. There it is. So a little bit of fine-tuning, giving it a new password, and hanging it up outside on the right place. Give it another name here, and we are busy. So here we have the network video recorder NVR, power supply, camera input up to 8 cameras, network cable, and HDMI cable, USB port for the mouse. And as you can see, we already have 7 cameras connected. There are some cameras of other brands also that work on this system too. So that is a big plus. Now we have to mask all the things that we are not able to film out, and it will look like, I will show you in the photos next in the video.
As you can see, we can completely mask out parts of the screen to be in compliance with the privacy laws.
Here we have the TP-Link, the power over Ethernet switch with 4 ports that can be connected and then go to the router. I will show you. Here you have a schematic diagram. The four ports, power over Ethernet, cameras and devices that you put here. And then there's the power supply. Here is a bigger one with more ports. The PC can be connected also, and then connected to the Ethernet via the LAN port, the router, and so to the internet. And here it is in working position. Cameras connected to the TP-Link. The TP-Link via the gray cable is connected to the router, and so it is connected to the internet. And as you see, there is a lot of activity already.
Here you have some menus in a nutcase. If you are interested in an explanation how the complete system works, and some ins and outs and evaluation of the cameras, please let me know in the comments below, and I will make a new video about it if there's enough people to want that.
This is again a wrap for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit it a thumbs up. Find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And there are a lot more car videos coming your way. So stay tuned for that. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss them out. And I will see you in the next one, and have a wonderful day. Peace.